Hey, are you interested in learning how to increase open rates for your holiday email campaigns? I have a simple technique for you that you can use that's virtually guaranteed to bump up your open rates. Let's do this. Hey everyone, my name is Jamie Turner. I'm with the 60-Second Marketer and I'm a longtime user of GetResponse. I use it for email marketing, landing pages, pop-up forms, marketing automation, webinars, and a whole slew of other items. So with that in mind, let's get started on today's tutorial, which is about increasing your open rates for your holiday email campaigns. If you're like most business people, then you know that the first step to a successful campaign is to get people to open your email. But over the course of time, your readers, no matter how engaged, start to suffer from email blindness. What's email blindness? It's when people don't notice your emails anymore. It's a real thing and it happens to all of us. In order to overcome email blindness, you have to practice something called pattern interruption. Pattern interruption is where you disrupt the normal patterns and change them so that it grabs people's attention. Good news, GetResponse has a whole slew of tools you can use to create pattern interruption during the holiday season. So let's head over to the computer and take a look at how to create a holiday email campaign that uses some of the GetResponse tools to increase your open rate, your click-through rate, and ultimately your revenue.
Okay, here we are inside of the GetResponse templates. You can see how easy it is to customize things. One of the things I love to do is to make my subject line personalized. I drop in the person's first name so that I can say, hey Bob, I have a special offer for you. That's a great way to increase my open rate and therefore my click-through rate. I just select which list I want to send the email to, and then here's a great feature, the templates. This one's for Black Friday, but let's say I want to look at the Halloween template. A couple of clicks and I'm all the way over to the Halloween template. I'm going to jump back to the Black Friday template here and show you some of the things you can do to customize things. This is the headline, boom, I have a special offer. I can change buttons. Not only can I change the font and the size of the font in the button, but I can real easily change the color of the button and test whether or not a blue button gets a better click-through rate than a red button. Now, we're gonna move down to some of the headline technologies that they have within GetResponse. You can see we can just change the font of the headlines, we can change the size, we can change whether it's bold or italicized or centered or anything you want. But the key thing is there are plenty of tools within GetResponse to make it super easy to make sure that your emails have the sizzle that you're looking for. Again, we're going to take a look at the button technology. Super easy to do buttons, super easy to do headlines. You can just change things around. I'm going to change this one right here, and it says we have a special deal on headphones for you. All of that's terrific. I can make it bold. I can make it centered. Very easy to do. I'll change out the text so that each time I change the text, it saves it and it makes sure that what I'm saying to the consumer is something that resonates with them. Now I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite features, which is down here at the bottom where you can add your social media platform links. Let's go ahead and scroll down here and take a look. All I have to do is drop in my Facebook page, drop in my Twitter handle, drop in my Instagram handle. All of that is done super easily. And then what makes it even more special is, let's say I want to give a little pop to the social media icons down at the bottom. Not a problem. I just hover over, I select color, boom, all of a sudden it's done, and it has that pop I'm looking for, and I can even change the nature of the icons. Now, you want to put a logo in? Awesome. Drop your logo in right at the top. Super easy, just a couple of clicks. You can change the size of the logo, again, with just a couple of clicks. And one of the key things that you need to understand about the GetResponse platform is that it's super easy to make changes. The changes happen quickly, they happen succinctly, and all of a sudden, you're ready to deploy your e-newsletter. Now, check this out. You can preview it and see what it looks like on a mobile device, what it looks like on a desktop device. You can even do all sorts of other things, like check whether or not it is spam friendly. And by that, I mean, hey, let's do a spam check. I got the green light on this one. It says, hey, you should not have any problems sending this out and getting the kind of responses that you are looking for. This should not trigger any spam filters. Hopefully that won't be the case, and you'll be able to get through and get the high deliverability rate that GetResponse is famous for. So you've seen all of the features in here, how easy it is to change the perfect timing, the time travel. All of these are features on how you deploy and when you deploy. Let's jump back and wrap this thing up.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to increase your open rates over the holidays. Before you go, I'd like to give you the top 10 things I love about GetResponse, all in 10 seconds or less. 1, free stock photos. 2, free gifts from Giphy. 3, social media icon links. 4, 99% email deliverability. 5, holiday templates. 6, personalized tools. 7, A/B testing tools. 8, up-to-date reporting. 9, built-in photo editor. And 10, pre-designed holiday templates. It's been great catching up with you. This is Jamie Turner with the 60-Second Marketer. I've been using GetResponse for years, and you should be too. I'll catch you next time.